Hello, Professor and everyone. My name is Sun Changli, and I'm senior majoring in information system at the University of Utah's David Acker School of Business. Today, I'm absolutely thrilled to present my final video skill demo for the AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification. As an information system student and AI researcher, I'm deeply passionate about designing secure, compliant, and cost-effective cloud architecture for clinical environments. Because I'm specialized in artificial intelligence, today demonstration will focus on how a solution architecture utilizes AWS's cognitive AI service to automate and secure real-world medical pipeline. Yeah. While preparing for the SAA exam, I mastered it in practical uses of the AWS management console and leverage various official studying platforms to deepen my understanding of the artificial frameworks. Let me see. This is my console over here. As you can see, I studied all four domains of the SAA exam, including secure, artificial design, resilient architecture, high performing architecture, and cost optimized architecture. And systematically organize my learning through the comprehensive hands-on notes and practice labs. This is my notes over here, so you can see my notes when I finish my using this paper. Okay, before we jump into the live AWS concert, let's look at an overview of the four core AI service I will demonstrate today. First, TextLite. Amazon TextLite to digitize paper-based little validations forms. Second is Amazon Translate to handle cross language clinical terminology translations. And third one is Amazon Foley to generate a lifelike voice guide for stroke for the patient. And the first is Amazon Translate to convert spoken practice record back into text for analyze. Now let's look at the actual tool to see how this service integrates seamlessly into a comprehensive server system. Okay, this is the AWS console home, and also I previous login over here. And let's see the first one. Okay, we can use this tab and going to the or service over here, and we can use the machine learning tab, and we first be using the text act over here. First, let's explore the scale one service document inter ingestions using Amazon Text Act. Correct. Impact vaccination process on the therapy setup. Patient record sheets were frequently handwritten on paper. So we're using the sample documents over here, and we also using the immunizations card over here. And here on the text link demo console, I have the image of documents. Once I started analyze the text sets instantly that extracts the raw text and the table the using machine learning OCL. And this allow the healthcare system to digitize paper-based record instantly without running any virtual service. The keeping operation highly costly. So you can see the Pfizer, the 2021, the favorite 8 over here. So we don't have any the vaccinally, the MAR and the COVID vaccine. So uh, you can find the vaccines over here, and you can also the looking for the vaccine A, Pfizer, the what is the word over here. And second, we going to the Amazon Translate. You can use also the digital essentially service over here. So we going to this what's it? Okay, this is the Amazon Translate over here. This is the uh, Amazon Translate. I will demonstrate the translate my native language Korean uh, into English to support global clinical research for or the present the patient. So for this scenario, let's assume I interacted with the person, the patient, and the inputting. So this is Korea. Yeah, the Korean is the dictative, and also it is to translate this one. Okay, we can use this text over here, and now we're going to the speech, the sincerity using the Amazon Foley. Or the generate real time the voice guide using the English translate we just received which is the incredibly useful for the patient recalling from the cognitive or the visual the defective. And you can use this is the neural here is a polyprogram and I paste to translate medical guides and select the high quality nurture the voice. The poly instance converts this text into the nature sound speech. From an architecture the standpoint, we can catch this audio in the Amazon S3 and distributes it globally with the extremely low latency using the Amazon Cloud front. Okay, we can use the listen over here. Okay, you can see you can listen this one. And also finally, we are going to the Amazon Translate. We're going to the Amazon Transcript. The dream speech relay. So we need to talk about the patient to each other. So you can use this transcript. So yeah, I said the previous things. Your vaccinations record are being interpreted by us and you have the MMR vaccinations record that you received when you were born, and the COVID-19 vaccine you received in December 2020. Okay, start over here. Actually, the English is not my mother tongue, so uh, my English level skill is too low, but it is to the quality to the get this one. In this setup, we can transcribe the population patient speech in the real time, allowing the clinication, clinicians to dynamically evaluate the pronunciations, acquire, see, and track cognitively recover the metrics. Let's go back to the PPT. In conclusion, the studying for the AWS, studying for the AWS Operation Application Associate exam has been the incredibly empowering and valuable experience. Though this learning journey, the generative AI service as an outstanding virtual professor. So whenever I had questions regarding storage, class optimizations, or the decoupled application structures, I use the generative AI to generate the comparisons charts and clearly analogies, which significantly accelerated my learning speed. And I'm also happy to share a quick update of on my professional course. I successfully passed my AWS certified AI practitioner exam in the April, and my AWS certified solution architecture associate exam in the May 2026. Yeah, immediately next step should employ this decoupled serverless AI pipeline to automate brain reliability elevations and MRI processing workflow at Samsung Medical Center. Ultimately, I will prepare for my graduation in December and continue participating in my path toward advanced AWS Cloud professional certifications. Thank you very much for listening and thank you for your guidance. Thank you.